Primetop Sunroom is a great investment for your home and will be enjoyed every day. If you are interested in increasing the value of your home while enjoying the benefits of a multi-purpose and sun-filled space, then you should think about building a sunroom addition to your house. Primetop sunrooms are primarily glass-constructed rooms that can be enclosed with screens. Windows can open during nice weather or shut for a quieter environment. Our sunrooms come in many different styles and sizes. We can customize your sunroom and install them in the way you like to create more living space. We can make your sunroom project a reality. At Primetop, we design and draft before we build.